Hey bees, Happy New Year and welcome to 2019. I thought I would kick off this new year with a video on some DIYing New Year's resolutions that I am adopting. Little, habits I want to break, habits I want to start, things I want to play with and achieve. So yeah, let's dive in. Thing number one, stop leaving stuff I'm unsure about in beakers and measuring cups for extended periods of time. Sometimes I'll make like a body butter or something and I won't be sure about it, so I'll just leave it in the measuring cup for like an extraordinarily long time, months even. It really takes a lot of my glassware out of commission when I do this. So what I have done is I've bought some little condiment cups, the little kind of disposable Dixie cups, and I'm using those. That is where I don't know if I care about this enough to put it in a real container. Experiments go now so that my glassware can keep getting used rather than just sort of sitting there with something I'm unsure about going for extended periods of time. I need to work on and finish my Formula Botanica hair care course. I have the ingredients, I have the materials, and I will find the time. This is happening. I purchased a lot of actives and fancy ingredients on my various trips to the United States last year. I need to use those things before they expire. So that's definitely one of my DIYing resolutions for 2019. I want to do more live videos on social media. I've done a couple recently and they've been really fun. Things like showing you how to press eyeshadows or going through my morning skincare routine. So I want to do more of those things, more sort of ephemeral, informal kind of video content. So yeah, more live videos. If you have something that you feel like is a live video suited topic, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I want to take more risks, more formulating risks. Not things that are unsafe, obviously, but just things that I've always been told, like, you can't do it that way, and I've never really found a very good reason why. I want to try it and see if there is a good reason or not. As a continuation to that kind of risk-taking thing, I want to try more things that I've been told are completely unpreservable, just to see. I found this lotion in a drawer. I made it 2.5 years ago. This is my oat milk dream cream. This is the same one that I make in the video. This bad boy is made with homemade oat milk, not using colloidal oats or like a cosmetic extract, but using oatmeal that I had in my kitchen, and I didn't even use distilled water. This is tap water. And this bad boy is fine. Like, there's not a hint of anything going wrong in here, and it's been 2.5 years. So yeah, I feel like there's some room to learn more and experiment and push some limits with this sort of thing in mind. I want to play with more botanical ingredients and try making some glycerites. There's a lot of awesome fun ingredients that I haven't played with yet, and those ones have the ability, possibility, I guess, of being much more accessible to my readers and viewers around the world. So yeah, I want to do some of that. I want to study more and learn more and keep being as curious as possible. I want to keep making messes, keep trying new things, keep sharing what I love with other people who also love it. And I also want to give you a bit of a New Year's DIYing resolution, if I may. Don't be afraid to mess stuff up. Don't be afraid to make something that you hate. Just start making stuff. If you have been kind of waiting on the sidelines trying to find the perfect recipe, the perfect place to start, to develop a perfect understanding of everything before you make anything, just jump in. Just make something. Just do it. Just get your hands dirty and then probably also very moisturized and soft. Just dive in. It's fine. Make small batches, take lots of notes, treat it like a learning experience, and just do it. Don't crazy overthink it. Just do it. So yeah, that is my New Year's resolution for you, and also my New Year's resolutions for me. I think that just do it one also applies to me. I got some things that I should really just do. Get over the hump and just do it. But yeah, I would be interested in hearing what your New Year's DIYing resolutions are. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to 2019. I will see you next time.